In the previous video, I took the Realme 6 Pro smartphone out of the box. Now, it's time for the non-Pro Realme 6 to shine. It comes in a simple yellow box with its name, main features, and the storage variant. It will be available in 2 colors and 2 storage configurations. Inside the box, there's a free phone case, a couple of pamphlets, a SIM ejector tool, the Realme 6 smartphone itself, a 30-watt power supply, and VOOC branded USB Type-C cable. Once again, there are no earphones included inside the box. Check the store where you are getting your Realme 6 if they include any free earphones in the freebies. The back cover of the Realme 6 immediately grabbed my attention after seeing it for the first time. It produces streaks of light that converge towards the bottom center part of the phone's back and looks like a comet in perihelion. It looks cool and gives the device a premium vibe. It reminds me of the Realme XT with its striking but not over-the-top design. However, the glossy finish of the back cover material makes smudges accumulate easily. The free phone case keeps the design visible while offering protection from smudges. Let's have a quick tour of the Realme 6 starting at the back. Its quad cameras are arranged vertically in a slightly raised camera module. On its right side is the power button that also serves as a fingerprint scanner, while on the other side are the volume buttons and SIM card tray. The SIM card tray comes with separate slots for 2 SIM cards and a microSD card. At the bottom are a 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C port, and loudspeaker. The microphone is also found in one of the holes that look like speaker grills. The last stop is the front of the device, which is occupied almost entirely by its 6.5-inch display. It has a single punch hole for the selfie camera on the upper right corner. The Realme 6 feels compact and slightly hefty thanks to a tall aspect ratio and a fairly large 4300 mAh battery. It's also well built with no creaks nor loose parts. It uses the Realme UI software, which is running on top of Android 10 OS with a few pre-installed third-party apps including Facebook and Lazada. I have the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage version, and the remaining free storage out of the box is 113GB. Perhaps the most interesting feature of the Realme 6 is its 90Hz display. The high refresh rate is very noticeable once you start swiping across the display. The animations and transitions look more fluid and snappier than usual smartphones with a 60Hz display. Antutu Benchmark is no longer available on the Google Play Store, so I used RealPie Benchmark for a quick comparison of the processing power of the Realme 6. The device scored 3.06 seconds, which is better than the 3.77 seconds of the Huawei Y9s and 3.39 seconds of the Oppo A9 2020. This test measures the time that the device takes to compute for 1 million digits of the mathematical constant pi, so the shorter time means a faster processor. I'll be installing Mobile Legends, Call of Duty, PUBG Mobile, and NBA 2K20 on this device for a thorough gaming review that will be published right after the launching event on May 29. While waiting for the price reveal, here are a few sample pictures captured by the Realme 6. This is a normal shot. Then we have an ultra-wide angle shot. This is a sample of the phone's night mode. And here's a sample selfie. Hit the subscribe button for the gaming review of the Realme 6 and more videos of upcoming smartphones.